Hen alarm from
I'm just hearing birds. It's not even from Craig this time. It's fucking Sebby.
No,
That's frogs.
there's no birds. Yeah, it's frogs.
Oh yeah, frogs. Sorry.
Frogs can't fly, man. They can fly for a very short time.
It's called
And they
jumping.
hop.
I don't know.
Humans
That's
can do that.
yeah.
Yeah, but like it looks more like flying. Like humans just
Because they stay in
like
the air for
that
a longer
jumping looks
time.
like jumping.
No,
Yeah.
no, that's incorrect. Jumping is still jumping.
You ever
no
seen like
matter how,
Olympic athletes jumping? It
no
looks like
matter how
fucking
long you stay in the air, jumping is still jumping.
Well, technically, birds just like double and triple
No,
and like
because they use
multi-jump.
it's jumping. Oh my god, shut up. I mean, he's not wrong. But jumping is the action of you're only in air from the initial force you put by coming off the ground.
Pothead.
Jesus Christ, this guy fucking smoked. Birds are just
Shut
double
up.
jumping.
You've been with Chad too much, eh?
But it's true though. I mean, they could glide, but they're still falling. Like, so it's just like slow jump, slow
Oh my
falling.
god, my heart just sank when I heard your engine for a second there. Like, dear god.
While using preparation.
Craig, get out of the go-kart. Go park your go-kart somewhere.
I am.
Why are you just so steep? Did you just smack into the side of the gas station?
No. Oh my god! Oh!
You must stay within 10 meters to rob the...
Hello, where are you? Ethan?
I am here.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
I am here.
Wait, what?
I have survived.
Oh, what happened?